We know the Wani area that includes the Vaunia district and also the Mana district, Kilinochi district, and also the Mullatiu district had been like a very highly uh, very volatile area during the historical times, especially because the area identified as Wani had been under control of certain, unauthorized actors throughout the history. Even during the periods before the Portuguese Dutch invasions, the Wani had been like an area that had been under the control of the lords. Certain people call themselves as lords, and finally we know that the LTT de facto control was also there in the Wani. I think one reason for this is because of the lack of higher education opportunities for students, children in those areas. Specifically, as I have mentioned earlier, the University of Jaffna caters into the highly educated population in the Sri Lankan Tamil population in Jaffna. So I have proposed to government previously in 2015 to establish the University of Vaunia, and the present President Gotabaya Rajapaksa established and launched during the pandemic period the University of Vaunia. But I think the University of Vaunia alone would not cater into the requirements of this large area identified as Vani, because it had been neglected with regard to the higher studies for a longer period since 1948. Because especially the Mana district, it's actually the base of Tamil Christian population in Sri Lanka. The Mana area is actually it can be said as Nigambo is the Sinhala Roman Catholic area. The Mana area is the Tamil Roman Catholic area along the Madhu Church and the related areas in the Mana district. So I think University of Mana must be incorporated. Specifically, I know that the students have told me that they find difficult to get entry into the University of Jaffna from Mana district because of the fact that the Jaffna University and the school system in Jaffna more advanced, and they have more facilities, and they get more allocations to the University of Jaffna. So because of that, Mana area's children have a problem of university admission. So I think the University of Mana, with especially with all the faculties like medicine, law, engineering in electrical, electronic, computer, uh, and also chemical, civil, etc., and also especially a faculty of religious studies for the Christian religious studies in the University of Mana under the government of Sri Lanka, and also faculty of arts, commerce, management, banking, and also faculty of law must be incorporated in these areas. So I think University of Mana alone would not serve the requirements of higher education in the Wani, a total Wani area, which includes the Mana district, the Vaunia district, the Mullatiu district, and the Kilinochi district. So the present faculty of agriculture of the University of Jaffna, located in Kilinochi, we know must be upgraded as a University of Kilinochi, specifically dedicated to all areas of study, but more specifically to agricultural related areas, because Kilinochi is like the heart of one is agricultural industry located in that area because of that reason. So I think that is very important, and even during the wartime, we know that Prabhakaran's daughter, Duvaraka Prabhakaran's mother, she had got eligibility to enroll in the University of Jaffna for the BSc. I think it was a BSc in agriculture, and she was enrolled at the Kilinochi campus of the University of Jaffna, but she didn't. I think she was a student there at that time. This is Dwaraka Prabhakaran, the Velupurbe Prabhakaran's daughter's mother. So similarly, there has to be another university in Mula Vaikal area, because we know Mula Vaikal in Mullatiu and the Nandikadal Lagoon are very of historical significance as about the ending of the war in a tragic way. In tragic, unbelievable circumstances happened, executed at the Nandikadal and the Mula Vaikal in the Mullaitivu district. So, what I think is that the Mullaitivu district is the most underprivileged district in the northern province, not like the Vaunia or Kilinochchi or Mana, because Mana district has the more Christian, missionary support, and Kilinochchi is influenced by the Jaffna district support because its close proximity in the N9, and Vaunia also has more support from the surrounding Anuradhapura district, Polonnaruwa district and the Mana. But when you look at the Mullaitivu district, it's totally neglected because they are the higher education and the most of the facilities, the banking, the insurance, all facilities, anything that you name, there is a shortage there. It's similar to the Monoragala district in Uva Velassa province in Sri Lanka. So I think there has to be a specific University of Mula Vaikal in this area, in University of Mullaitivu district. This University of Mula Vaikal may be named as a University of Mula Vaikal of Anthropological Studies, more specifically, but it must offer all faculties, and as I have mentioned, the medical faculty, engineering in electronic, electrical, and computer, chemical engineering, civil engineering, etc., and also biotechnology, and also the arts faculty, commerce, banking, management, and also law, and also the faculty of humanities, with the Department of Anthropological Studies offering a BA degree in anthropological studies, which must include up to the masters and PhDs with subjects areas like political anthropology, Tamil cultural anthropology, because we know currently there are bachelor's degrees in anthropology offered by the University of Jayawardhanapura, Peradeniya, Department of Anthropological Studies, but here the focus in the University of Mula Vaikal Anthropological University must be more on the Tamil cultural anthropology, and also biological anthropology, and also epidemic breakout, and also the Tamil Mula Vaikal genocidal studies must be offered there. So also such a university could offer certificate courses in Mula Vaikal Sri Lankan Tamil genocide studies as a means for further investigations into the future, to avoid such disasters in future, which is a historical evolution, I think, that ended recently in Sri Lanka. So similar to the Department of Anthropological Studies, University of Sri Jayawardhanapura offering certificate course in Angampura, the Sinhala traditional art of fighting. Similarly, there has to be a certificate course in Mula Vaikal Sri Lankan Tamil genocide in the University of Mula Vaikal of Anthropology, but it has to offer all areas, not only anthropology, even though it's called a University of Mula Vaikal of Anthropology. So I think if this is done, then there will be one university, Jaffna University, the University of Mana, University of Vaunia, which the President Gotabe already established as per my proposal, and then the University of Kilinochchi and the University of Mula Vaikal of anthropology. So together, I think that will get into the higher study vacuum at the present in the one area, especially because we can see in the eastern province, in the Batticaloa district and the Ampara district, there are two universities. There is a Southeastern University of Sri Lanka and the Southeastern University of Sri Lanka. So that caters mostly into the Muslim population, but the most people who deserve the intellectual studies are for the north actually. Northern province students only need more help. So there has to be this university system in the northern province of Sri Lanka as soon as possible to fill the gap for higher studies in this area. And with regard to the university of, the library, the library, the public library of Jaffna, which had been burnt down. Well, I think that, of course, is a terrible issue, but it cannot be restored back. I think all the scripts, texts, everything, more than 93,000 had been lost when it was burnt down, I think. So now I think there is no way to recover them, but I think the government can set up a special department of Jaffna Public Library recovery, of text, and have like meetings and conferences, and then from all the Sri Lankan Tamil intellectuals in Sri Lanka and throughout the world, verbally all the related material must be taken, and then they must be documented, and then they have to be preserved. This is the only way to restore, because there is no other way, since all had been burned down during that time.